hello. Good evening, everyone. Happy blessed Friday night to all. This is Dubai night, guys. Shout out to all my loyal followers and subscribers. Walking here in Dubai. Ayan guys, mga building, oh. See the building here in Dubai. So let's walk now. So dito muna, rest muna tayo. Shout out everyone, Rose the Melod Vlog here in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Thank you so much to all of you guys sa mga sumusuporta sa akin. Shout out Neil John Vlog, anak. Mini-message kita sa messenger, pero wala ka, hindi kita mahanap. Shout out mga sisikoy Laren Direct Transmission, sisikoy Yagbiag Vlog at Conce, sisikoy Princess Freya, sisikoy Millet's Vlog, sisikoy Shali Estrada, lahat ng mga sisikoy Josie Car. And to all who supporting my small channel, thank you so much guys. So buksan ko ulit mamaya yan. Mag-walk in lang ako guys. Mag-walk in. Nabubulol ako guys. Thank you for watching.